Woke up to silence, the kind that ain't right. My best friend, old Polly, passed in the night. She laid her head down, never made a sound. Now her collar's hanging where she ain't around. Then Mama Dog cried, we rushed to the vet. They said emergency, but they ain't fixed her yet. I held her paw tight and said, you gotta stay strong. But damn, this damn day just keeps dragging on. 'Cause when it rains, it burns in this town. Lost my dog, lost my truck, it all burned down. Uncle Henry passed, Lord, he was my guide. Now my F-Ride smoking and the tears won't dry. Ain't no storm like the one I'm in. Feels like the devil's breath blowing through the wind. My truck caught fire on County Road 9. Just gassed her up, now she's burning real fine. Watching my dreams as they go up in smoke. Guess I should laugh, but just might choke. Tried to cook dinner, thought I'd be brave, but that air fryer lit up like an early grave. Now kitchen scorched, and I'm sitting here drinking warm beer, cussing my year. 'Cause when it rains, it burns in this town. Lost my dog, lost my truck, it all burned down. Yeah, when it rains, it burns like hell. I got dash in my boots and a story to tell. Uncle's up yonder, Polly's by his side. They're fetching stars in that big old sky. But down here, man, I just can't win. Feels like life's trying to torch my skin. But I'll patch it up to piece by piece. Light a candle for the ones at peace. And maybe someday this cloud will clear. Till then I'll pour out one more beer. 'Cause when it rains, it burns in this life. Lost my dog, lost my kin, lost my will to fight. But country hearts don't stay down long. We turn our pain into one more song. Yeah, I'm still here, though I've been through worse, singing life, love, and the smoking curse. 'Cause when it rains, it burns in this town. Lost my dog, lost my truck,